Let's break down the more complex program in a single line piece of code actually. Here is the first program, transpose a matrix. So I'm gonna type Python 3. So in that I have a matrix. So in that matrix I have another array 1, 2, 3 and same as 4, 5, 6. Same as 7, 8, 9. So here is my question. So matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to given the result for uh, you can see that. So transposed, I'm going to use the list. First I can create a one array. So inside the array I'm going to create one for loop, and so in that for loop data will comes from the matrix, so I can zip the matrix, and in that I can given the matrix and also list of row. That's all. So if I print that, boom, here's the thing. So 147, that means, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can think like that. So without this zip and this list comprehension, you need to wrote that multiple lines for that actually. So but using that zip and that list, that using the list comprehension, you can achieve this transpose a matrix in single line actually. It's crazy, right? Let's go with that second program. Yeah, next complex program is factorial of a number using a recursion in a single line actually. So let me open that Python. So in that Python, so I can type factorial, and in that I can type lambda, and in that starting with the n, and if n equal to 0, oops, n equal to 0, so else n star. So same as factorial, I'm calling that same line again, and so in that part, so result factorial of 5, and if I print the result I'm getting that 120. So without these things actually, so we need to wrote that multiple lines actually, but using this single line, so you can easily to achieve that factorial program actually. So this is crazy, right? So that we can go with that next program. A final complex program is utilizing a dictionary comprehension and conditional statements to filter even numbers in a dictionary. So simply says, so I'm opening the Python. So in that I have a dictionary A equal to 10, B equal to 50, C 8, D 3, and E 6 actually. So in that I want to filter out that even number objects actually. So in that we need to wrote that for loop and the if statement, we need to put that, right? So that we don't need that, so we can just simply create, I can type even numbers. So in that I need a key and a value from that for, so key value I can just split it, and in that first I need to get all the items, and so in that items I'm going to filter out that if value, it will be dividing by 2, that is called even actually. So that's all. If I print that, see, a equal to 10, c equal to 8, e equal to 6 actually. So without anything additional lines, so in the single line we can easily to achieve that actually. So hope you will get a better understand and save the video and keep it useful for in your future. And we'll see you on the next complex program. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.